Life can change rapidly, and we must realize that we always have a say over those changes. We all dream of changing our lives, but we fail to do so because we must understand that there are things that should be kept unchanged and there are a few that need to go. Knowing what to change and how to change it for a better future can be tricky. Onpassive is one such platform that offers the right guidance for people who are looking for a paradigm shift in their lives. Onpassive provides an AI platform for businesses that can be utilized to achieve the growth objectives and sail swiftly towards success. Ever wanted to build your way to success and check all the dreams off your bucket list? Well, you're not alone, and Onpassive is your gateway to success, and thousands have come together to make their dream possible with the help of Onpassive. Here we're going to learn how to start designing your dream life with the help of Onpassive. 1. Set your mindset right. A lot of dreams you can or cannot achieve can be directly correlated with your belief that it's possible. More often than not, the only thing that is stopping you from getting what you want is you. While getting through your fears and hurdling your beliefs requires a considerable amount of self-awareness, mindfulness, and much of internal work, the outcomes are worth it. Change and prioritize your mindset, and you are most likely to your external world. You will be more capable and ready than you think. 2. Emphasize investing in mentorship. When it comes to entrepreneurship and getting your life together, you might think that you could do it all. Sure, you can solve some of it on your own, but it takes way more time, energy, and resources than if you work with someone who has already worked on the process and knows what they're doing. Commonly, we think that most of us need someone to hold us accountable for our ambitions, a project manager, or someone to support us through our dreams. Seek as much as mentorship in all aspects of your life that you seek to build, including business, personal growth, and well-being. Working with talented people will allow you to quickly build your life to match your needs, improve your skills, grow your network, and outflank rookie mistakes. 3. Create a plan and take action. You can be around the people with the right mindset and people who are behind you throughout the process, but it won't matter if you're not adapting what you learn. Decide on what you want, get a clear picture of what that looks like, and draw a detailed layout to your destination. To start designing your dream life, there is a method called dream tracking. First, pen down your dreams. Second, build a vision board to see clearly what you want to manifest in your life in the next few months. Then, break your dreams down into doable monthly goals, build your goals with high-level strategies, and those strategies into action, and you can quickly move through every week. When you bring all of these life design principles together, you can achieve anything. This is how you can move your far-fetched dreams swiftly from a place of imagination into one of reality. Onpassive helps you to let go of your fears and allows your access to the right support system, to become an active participant in your life. With Onpassive, you can easily watch your life change faster than you could possibly imagine.